Hello, my friends. Welcome back to another video here. Phil Pravda, Suit Cafe, suitcafe.com. And just a quick unboxing of some amazing sneakers that I have made. These are beautiful, hand-done, patina finish sneakers. I'm going to show them to you right now because they're really, really exquisite. And then I'm going to follow up with another sneaker, one that I've already done a video on, but I just want to show you the particular size. And that'll be right at the end. So let's get to it. Okay, everyone, here we go. We have the sneaker box right here. After I show them to you, these will be shipping out to Texas, but I want to get to show you these. I have not seen them myself yet. The box is open, but I'm going to open them up. And of course, you know right away the smell test as soon as we get this box open. And let's take a look. Let's take a sniff, rather. Oh, yeah, beautiful leather. Smells like brand new. Wow, like a brand new car interior. Brand new. Okay, let's get this out here. And we'll get you to see these right away. Okay, they got a, let's see if I can get, okay, they're in a plastic bag. So let's see if I can get the bag out same time as the cloth bag. Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Wow, look at those. Those are just phenomenal. Handmade sneaker in the dark brown cognac and the patina finish, hand rubbed burnishing, which is really, really amazing. And the bottom is the Vibram running sole. That's what the bottom is. And by the way, very, very lightweight. Padded ankles, padded in the back here around your ankles, and also padded tongue as well. Brown laces here on this one. I'll give you the full view. So there you go. Side view. Back view. It's always hard to get it in the right position. And we'll give you the front view right there. Front view of the sneaker. You can see that right there. It's getting in focus. Come on, focus. Okay, that's good. Very lightweight. Super lightweight sneaker. Great for right now, summertime. Look, casual today, linen shirt, wool jacket, but unlined inside. It is 91 today in New York, so wore something a little lighter. Anyway, beautiful, beautiful sneaker. You see it right there with the burnishing, all the ways burnishing around the seams. That's how it looks. That's how it looks the best. A little on the toe and a little on the back there. So I really hope you like those. This is size 10, so you get an idea of the sizing. Size 10. And I want to show you this second one, which I'll put a link to the video of this slip-on sneaker that I've already done for somebody else. But just so you see that we make up to size 17 in most shoes. These are size 14. So there you go. Size 14 suede slip-on sneaker with the rubber bottom. Size 14. Also came out beautiful, but a link to this video about this unboxing of this shoe. Just wanted to show you the size. So there you have it, just a quick unboxing of the sneaker, and of course right at the end, individual photos of that new sneaker. Hope you liked the quick video. Just want to come in here and show you that, and see you all again when I'm back at it.